para malaman yung datos house.
Kung pwede yung gawin, no? Yung datos house lang. Kapag nilalim bahay, pwede gawin. Pag may nakita ka na Manolo, nag-isari Manolo.
Ano mo sir, nasa?
Hindi may kita si Sir. Hindi may kita si Sir.
Hindi yan, ordinary. Kami papakas pinili ka.
Lagay mo sa YouTube.
Sync naman yung niyata.
Jasper, nasa YouTube ka.
Design must be protected, varied in detail and degree of complexity. The whole structure was put together without using a single name. Instead, the wooden beams are skillfully interlocked together, and the building has remained standing for almost 265 years. House using bamboo shells cover a distance of some 20 kilometers. Time and elements has conspired to weaken the structure of this historical edifice. 45 years ago, the condition of the Rongan has allowed Abilam Sultan for that to take up residence elsewhere. His roof and floor were crumbled to pieces. Through both local and foreigner visitors continue to visit the Rongan. For its amazing carved wooden posts. The Rongan is a
Hindi
symbol
po. Huwag kayo
in time when the house were more than just a place. But it's
Yung
our
bulol
symbols
namin.
of the community identity. The careful carvings of the massive post presented the artistic
Bulol.
of a people with
Makikita niyo naman po ang
vigorous
sa kanya.
vulturous
Likuran.
whose
Sa
are
Blackbird.
permitted all aspects of their life.
Turogan.
The Rongan is surrounded by modern houses that are built along
Drawing niya yan.
Yan po yung gawa niya.
fabricated